because you have a myriad of policies that intersect this area and that affect assignment. And those policies, there are two of them that are required by law. And one of them, which the school board has adopted. The two that are required by law are a manifest educational hardship policy. State statute mandates that all districts have a manifest educational hardship policy that allows parents to apply to the school board for reassignment to another school, either within the district or another public school outside of the district if there isn't another school, to transfer their students to another school if they're able to prove a manifest educational hardship. That is a policy that the district has, and I believe it's policy JEC. Is that correct? Yes, JEC. The State Department of Education has defined what a manifest educational hardship is. And that's in a state regulation and has defined the necessary level of proof that a parent must establish before the school board in order for the student to be reassigned. The Hooks at School policy, JEC, that deals with manifest educational hardship is a procedural statute that says if you apply, there's a certain amount of time that the school board has to process that decision. And once it's processed that decision, there are certain rights that parents have to appeal that up to the State Department of Education for determination of whether the school board made the correct determination of that the parents did or did not prove a manifest educational hardship. That statute and that rule applies not only to high school students, it applies to all students in the district. It could apply to elementary school kids, it could apply to middle school kids. And all districts are required to have that policy. There is another policy, JCA, that is required by statute, which allows the superintendent to place a student based on a different standard, which is called the best interest of the student, the best interest of the child standard in a different school. This is an opportunity for superintendents to deal with students who otherwise cannot receive an education in their own school. And based on the determination of best interest of the child to reassign students. So those two policies are required by law.